Hello guys, myself Sanjay Sen from Dr. Hari Singh Gaur Central University, Sagar, and my topic is based on NK cells, which stands for natural killer cells. By the end of this topic, we will come to know that what is natural killer cell, developing site of natural killer cells, types of natural killer cells, receptors of natural killer cells, functions of natural killer cells in pregnancy, disease caused by lack of natural killer cells, and finally, conclusion. What is NK cell? Natural killer cells are large granular lymphocytes derived from the common lymphoid progenitor cell. Natural killer cell constitute 5 to 10% of lymphocytes in human peripheral blood. NK cells are cytotoxic. Cytotoxic means being toxic to the cells. Small granules in their cytoplasm contain proteins such as perforin and proteases known as granzymes that will trigger either apoptosis or cell lysis in abnormal cells. A natural killer cell has a similar appearance to the other lymphocytes with which it acts together and has a common origin. Defenses, an antimicrobial secreted by natural killer cells, directly kills bacteria by disrupting their cell walls. Developing site of natural killer cells. Natural killer cells differentiate and mature in thymus, spleen, bone marrow, lymph nodes, and tonsils. Types of natural killer cells. On the basis of the abundance of the CD56 stands for cluster of differentiation, glycoprotein on the cell surface and their cytotoxic potential. Natural killer cells are divided into two subpopulations. First one is CD56 dim NK cells. It comprises up to 90% of natural killer cells, is considered the most cytotoxic subset. It binds to the Fc portion of IgG antibodies and mediate antibody dependent cell mediated cytotoxicity ADCC of antibody bounded target cells. Expression of granzyme B and perforin is also high in this subset compared with CD56 bright NK cells. Second one is CD56 bright NK cells. This subtype comprises up to 10% of natural killer cells. This subset is known as the cytokine producing subset of natural killer cells and rapidly produces cytokines and chemokines including IFN gamma, TNF alpha, GM-CSF after activation. A specialized population of natural killer cells are found in women's uterus called uterine natural killer cells. Natural killer cells are essential for forming the placenta. Role of the uterine natural killer cells is not to kill cells and develop inflammation, but to cooperate with fetal trophoblast cells in enlarging maternal blood vessels so that they have the capacity to supply the placenta and thus the growing fetus with sufficient oxygen and nourishment throughout pregnancy. Receptors of natural killer cells. To control their cytotoxic activity, natural killer cells possess two types of surface receptors, activating receptors and inhibitory receptors, including killer cell immunoglobulin like receptors. Here is shown a figure of NK cell evasion by tumor cells. By shedding decoy, NKZ2D receptor, which is shown in this figure, soluble ligands, tumor cells may avoid immune responses. These soluble NKZ2D ligand bind to natural killer cell NKZ2D receptors, activating a false natural killer response and consequently creating competition for the receptor site. This method of evasion occurs in prostate cancer. Functions of natural killer cells. Natural killer cells infected with virus by blocking replication of virus. It maintains and even increase the inflammation in the infected tissue by secreting inflammatory cytokines such as interleukin, IL-2, IL-12, IL-15 and interferon gamma. Natural killer cells also kills tumor cells and they recognizes cells that lack expression of major histocompatibility complex MHC class 1 antigens. Natural killer cells function in pregnancy. During pregnancy, natural killer cells aid in supplying blood to the fetus, essential for its growth and development. It also protects the fetus against foreign bodies and infections. Uterine natural killer cells protect the embryo against serious infections, whereas peripheral natural killer cells are important in protecting the body against viral infections and cancer cells. Natural killer cells play a vital role in the establishment and maintenance of pregnancy. Disease caused by lack of natural killer cells. First one is herpes simplex virus HSVS. It inhibits the lytic activity of natural killer cells and interleukin 2 activated killer cells. Second is one is Chediak-Higashi syndrome. It is an autosomal recessive disorder in which mutation in CHS1 gene which leads to the downregulation of immune responses that includes neutrophils, macrophages and natural killer cells. It is a rare inherited complex immune disorder that usually occurs in childhood characterized by reduced pigment in the skin and eyes, oculocutaneous albinism, immune deficiency with an increased susceptibility to infections and a tendency to bruise and bleed easily. Finally, conclusion. Natural killer cells are important cells of the immune system derived from stem cells in the marrow. Their functions in cancer, infectious disease, and pregnancy is controlled through a complex system of cell receptors to control cell proliferation, cytotoxicity, and cytokine production. Our new understanding of MHC class 1 recognizing inhibitory receptor on natural killer cells may help us understand their biology in stem cell transplantation, immune surveillance, cancer immunotherapy, and escape mechanism of viral infection. Future studies in natural killer cell therapies focus on testing the hypothesis that selection of natural killer cells lacking inhibitory receptors for recipient tumor will have more therapeutic efficacy. Clinical trials are underway testing this approach by the use of haploidentical stem cell transplants, allogenic natural killer cells, and the use of natural killer cell lines as cellular therapy. Despite limited success in currently reported therapeutic trials, understanding the biology of natural killer cells and their homing mechanism in vivo may lead to novel therapeutic strategies for the treatment of human disease.